We are continuing on our UP adventure. We have booked the famous Soo Locks boat tour. They have free parking here. Pro tip, if you get your tickets online, you can save like $3 a ticket.
Hello everyone and welcome aboard the diesel vessel the Voyager. As we proceed on the tour, main points of interest will be explained as we pass by. The population of Sault Ste. Ontario, Canada is approximately 73,000 people, while the population of Sault Ste. Michigan, where we just departed, is approximately 13,500, depending on how many students are at Lake Superior State University at any given time. We'll be sailing on the St. Mary's River for all of this 10-mile international tour. This river is approximately 61 miles in length and connects Lake Superior to Lake Huron. Lake Superior is located about 16 miles ahead of us, and Lake Huron about 45 miles downstream behind us.
The first lock is the MacArthur, opened in 1943, named after General Douglas MacArthur. The lock is 800 feet long, 80 feet wide, about 32 feet deep. That's the lock we're going to go up on. And we're going to need 10 million gallons of water to raise us up 21 feet. Next lock over, the Poe, opened in 1969, named after General Orlando M. Poe. Now that lock is much bigger, 1,200 feet long, 110 feet wide, 33 feet deep. A brand new lock up where the fourth one is, and it will be the same size as the larger lock, the Poe. And the reason for that is because over 85% of all the cargo that comes through here is restricted to vessels that are too big to use a smaller MacArthur lock. So there's only one mode of transportation through here for the big boats. And if that lock up there were to break down, it's got a pretty significant impact on the U.S. economy because all the cargo necessary to manufacture steel, primarily taconite iron ore pellets, will move through that lock.
This is at the local park. People can come and watch the boats in the lock. How cool. I missed it, but the lady tossed this line up to a guy up there. So we have to be tied off, and then they can close the back gate. This is the back of the gate. We are waiting for it to close, and then they are going to raise the water. This is super exciting. You can tell we're going up because you can see these little circles of waves. It started going real slow, and now you can really tell.
All right! Woo! You have to tune back, guys. That was nice of them to tune first.
We picked the best days for boat tours.
Well, this is vessel was built in 1952, and it is 698 feet long, 70 feet wide, so it is still small enough to use the MacArthur lock, though she does a lot of runs just across Lake Superior hauling taconite.
Here's our return lock on the Canadian side. This is actually an island that has a nature trail. You can come out here on the Canadian side and walk around. We are going down.
All right, starting that draining process. It only takes about 7-8 minutes to drain the 2 million out of this lock. Doesn't take very long at all. So to drain the 2 million gallons of water here went down 21 feet. We are on the lower St. Mary's River again, but we're on the Lake Huron water level.
3, 2, 1.
Something cool is there is bus and RV parking over here. This parking lot is also huge, so you can bring your trailer on the way to Canada. So we drove down the road a little bit so that we can go check out the Soo Locks observation area. There was a freighter coming, and we're gonna go get it. They have a visitor center. Also, you have to go through a little security guard who asks you if there's any weapons on you. The Soo Locks boat tour was pretty cool. I was very excited to go through it, even though I did it as a little kid and Kyle did too, but not enough to like really remember. We wouldn't really do it again. It would be cooler if you had your own boat, like a pontoon or something. Here we are, first level. So here's the freighter coming, but unfortunately it's gonna go to the other lock, not this first one here, because it's so long. It's no problem. We're still gonna enjoy watching it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a real treat for you today. It's double lock day. There's a little tiny tugboat coming. Looks just like a baby compared to this guy. They're going up. Little boat is done.